What's up, guys? It's Candy, and welcome to Candy's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do your own cold pressure drink at home. We're going to call it Candy's Cucumber Limeade. Let's get started. Alright guys, so the ingredients that you guys are going to be using are pineapple. We have spinach, just a handful of it, half of a cucumber, half of a lime, your honey of choice, and we have 3 cups of water. Let's get started. Alright, so you guys are going to take your half peeled cucumber and you're gonna cut it in half so that you guys have 4, you're gonna do 2 cuts for 4 pieces. Put it in your blender. Also guys, you're gonna need a blender. The next ingredient we're gonna put in, guys, is your choice of variated pineapples. I usually go with Dole's pineapple only because they offer you the option of having your pineapples in pineapple juice versus having it in pineapple syrup, which is nasty. Okay, so for this time around, I chose their crushed pineapples, and we're just gonna do a solid 4 or 5 or 6 spoons of pineapple. Your next ingredient, guys, is going to be a handful of spinach. Now, I didn't tell you guys the benefits of pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is good for inflammation, and it also makes your vagina juices taste very delicious. So get into it, ladies. Outside of that, we're gonna put spinach here. Inside, like I said, just like a handful and some change. And then, for those of you, some people don't even know how to use this. This is a lime squeezer. For those of you that have it at home that decide to use it like this, it's wrong, people. It's wrong. It's the opposite side around. You're gonna fit it in the hole. It sounds so bad. And then you squeeze it. Squeeze all the juice out, y'all. You're going to put as much honey in as you desire as an acquired taste for the sweetness of your honey. This is the Bee Natural Honey. Oh, maybe I should use the honey from Italy next time. It's delicious, guys. Anyway, this is a wildflower honey. Put as much as you'd like on the inside. And with this one, guys, we're going to be using just about a cup of water of your choice. Put the lid on. If you just want to get a little bit closer there so that people can see, you're gonna blend it. Make And guys, I got this container from Walmart for about $5. And you can label it whatever you'd like. And we're gonna put just what's needed. And we're gonna do a small taste test. Ready to taste this, honey?
Yeah.
Put a little bit of ice cubes. Swishing around like some wine. It's better for you than wine. Get into it. Baby, be my taste tester.
Thank you.
You like it?
Yeah, it's very good.
It's better than last time. All right, guys. The last step you want to do with your cucumber limeade is just add a little bit of water to stretch it. And I will show you guys what this looks like in an hour, so you can see how it divides itself, making it a cold, fresh drink. All of your drink will be down here, and then you will have a pulp up here, and you would just shake it in the morning. This is perfect for the morning time, or when we are back outside and that hot summer heat on the beach. This is perfect to brew for the beach. Thank you guys for visiting and joining me on this episode of Candy's Kitchen. There will be many more episodes on the way. You guys make sure that you go to Primavera Moto. That's my husband's Instagram. He's gonna be showing you guys how to cook some amazing Italian food, so you guys look out for that. Make sure that you guys go to candyrivers.com, as well as following me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for new updates. And until next time, be good to yourself. Love you guys.